Let's move to the question number 7. The coordinates of the point P and Q are 1, 1 and 7, 11 respectively. The line PQ forms a diameter of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Okay, it is given that we have the circle and this is the diameter which have center C and diameter has the point Q and P and the coordinates of the PQ are given. We need to find the equation of the circle. We know that the equation of the circle is equals to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. And in this case, h and k is equals to center with r radius. Okay, PQ is the diameter. PQ is the diameter of circle. So midpoint of the PQ, C is the midpoint of the PQ, which is the center of the circle. So we can find center by using the given information of the PQ. So C is equals to midpoint of the PQ, which is x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. And in this case, P is equals to the 1 comma 1, which is equals to x1 comma y1. And Q is given, which is 7 and 11, and this one is equals to x2 comma y2. Plugging PQ in equation of midpoint, we will have C is equals to the 1 plus 7 over 2 comma 1 plus 11 over 2, and this one is equals to the 8 over 2 comma 12 over 2, and this one is equals to the 4 comma 6. So we have the midpoint C, which is 4 comma 6. Now we can find the equation of circle, but we need information of the radius. So radius can be find out. Radius is distance from center to Q or center to P or the half of the diameter. So we can say that radius is distance from P to C, and distance formula is equals to the x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And in this case, P is the x1 and y1 which is given, which is equals to 1 comma 1, and the C is the center which just calculated, which is x2 and y2, and this one is equals to 4 comma 6. Plugging, we will have 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 1 whole square, and this one is equals to the 3 square plus 5 square, and this one is equals to the 9 plus 25 under root, and this one is equals to under root 34. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. And we know that h and k is the center, which is equals to the 4 comma 6, and the radius is equals to under root 34. So plugging these value, we will have x minus 4 whole square plus y minus k means y minus 6 whole square equals to under root 34 square, which is equals to 34. So we can say that equation of the circle is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equals to 34. This is the required equation of the circle. Now let's move to the part we find the equation of the tangent to the circle at point Q. Okay, we have the circle and this one is point Q and this one is center, and we need to find the equation of this tangent. And we know that the equation of the line can be found by using the slope point form. Y is minus y1 is equals to m, which is slope of the tangent, time x minus x1. and here point is already given, which is q, and this one is 7 comma 11, and this one is x1 and y1. We need the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent can be calculated if we know the slope of this normal, because slope of the normal is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent. If we can find the slope of the normal, which is the slope of CQ, slope of the normal, which is slope of the CQ, then we can find slope of the tangent. So first we find slope of CQ by using the formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we, in this case, we have q is equal to x1 comma y1, which is equal to 7 comma 11, and c we just calculated the center, which is x1 x2 comma y2, and this one is equals to the 4 comma 6. So we can say that slope of the CQ or slope of the normal equals to the y2 minus y1 means 6 minus 11 over x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 7, and this one is equals to negative 5 over negative 3, and this one is equals to 5 over 3. So we have the slope of the normal, which is 5 over 3. So we have the slope of normal, which is also equal to the slope of CQ. Okay. And we know that the slope of normal, which is slope of CQ, is perpendicular to the slope of the tangent. So these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So we can say that slope of normal is perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular to the slope of tangent. So when two lines are perpendicular to each other, so product of their slope is -1. So slope of normal times slope of tangent is equal to -1, and we know that slope of normal is 5 over 3 times slope of tangent, which is equal to -1, and so we can say that slope of the tangent is equals to -3 over 5. Now we have the slope of the tangent and we have the point, which is q equals to 7 comma 11. So we can use these two information to find the equation of the slope by using the slope point form. So slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m tangent x minus x1. And y minus y1 means y minus 11 equals to slope, which is -3 over 5 times x minus x1 means x minus 7. And this one is equals to y minus 11 equals to the -3 over 5 x plus 21 over 5. Further solving, we will have y plus 3 over 5 x is equals to 21 over 5 plus 11, and this one is equals to 21 plus 55 over 5. The equation is y plus 3 over 5 x is equals to 76 over 5. This is the equation of tangent at q. Okay. Part C, the other point on the circle with the x coordinate 7 is R. So it is given that we have the point R, which is on the circle with x coordinate 7 and y coordinate is unknown, which is YR. Find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the tangent at Q with the tangent at R. So we have the circle, and this is the point Q, which is 7 comma 11, and we have the tangent at Q, which has equation we just calculated in a part B, which is y plus 3 over 5 x is equal to 76 over 5. This is the equation of the tangent. We need to find the equation of the tangent at R. So suppose this one is the R, and which has the x coordinate 7 and y coordinate yr, which is unknown. And when we plot the tangent at R, it will intersect at this point, and we need to find the intersecting point of tangent at R with the tangent at Q. So first we need to find the R, the point R, which is 7 comma yr, is on the circle, so it will satisfy the circle equation. we know the circle equation we just calculated in part A, which is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 34. And plugging the value of r, which is 7 and yr. So this one is equal to 7 minus 4 square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 34, and y minus 6 whole square is equal to 25, and this one is equal to y minus 6 equals to plus minus 5 by taking square root. So we can say that we have two values of y, which is y minus 6 equals to 5, and on the other side y minus 6 equals to negative 5. And we have the y coordinate, which is 11 in this case, and y equals to 1 in this case. And we know that x coordinate of the point is given, which is 7. So points are 7 comma 11 and 7 comma 1. And 7 comma 11 we already have, which is the q. So this point is the r. We have the point r, and we need to find the equation of tangent at r. The equation of the tangent at r by using slope point form. And the slope of the tangent at r can be found by using the slope of CR. First, we find slope of CR by using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And C is the center, which is 4 comma 6, and R we just calculated, which is 7 comma 1. So this one is x1, this one is y1, this one is x2, y2. The slope of the CR is equal to y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 6 over x2 minus x1 means 7 minus 4. And this one is equal to negative 5 over 3. So this one is slope of CR. So we have the slope of CR, which is perpendicular to the slope of tangent at R. So MCR is perpendicular to the slope of tangent at R. And we know that the multiple of the perpendicular slope is negative 1. So slope of the normal CR is perpendicular to the slope of tangent at R. So we can say that MCR times MTR is equal to negative 1. Plugging the slope of MCR, we will have negative 5 over 3 times slope of tangent at R equals to negative 1, and slope of tangent at R equals to 3 over 5. So we have the slope of tangent at R, and we have the point R. So we can use slope point form to find the equation of the tangent at R. Using slope point form, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, and in this case slope is equals to m slope of tangent at R, which is 3 over 5, and we have the point R, which is equals to the 7 comma 1, and this one is equals to x1 comma y1. So by using these values, we have y minus y1 means 1 equals to m, which is 3 over 5, times x minus x1 means x minus 7, and this one is equal to y is equal to 3 over 5x minus 21 over 5 minus plus 1. So this is the equation of the tangent at R. We need to find the point of intersection of the tangent at R with the tangent at Q, and we know that the equation of the tangent at Q is equals to y is equal to negative 3 over 5x plus 76 over 5. Simultaneously solving these two equations, we can get point of intersection. So we pairing, we will have 3x over 5 minus 21 over 5 plus 1 equals to the negative 3x over 5 plus 76 over 5. Okay. Further solving, we will have 3x over 5 plus 3x over 5, and this one is equals to the 76 over 5 plus 21 over 5 minus 1. Further solving, we will have 5 LCM and 76 plus 21 minus 1. 3x over 5 plus 3x over 5 is 6x over 5 is equals to the 97 over 5 minus 1, and this one is equals to 5 97 minus 5, and this one is equals to 92 over 5. So we have 6x over 5 equals to 92 over 5. So 5 will be cancelled out and this one will be 46 and this one is 3. So we have x is equal to 46 over 3. So we have the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the tangent at R with tangent at Q. Now we need to find the y coordinate. So plugging this value in this equation, plug in equation 1. So we will have y is equal to negative 3 over 5. Y is equal to negative 3 over 5 times x, which is 46 over 3, plus 76 over 5. Okay, 3 will be cancelled out and we will have negative 46 over 5 plus 76 over 5, and this one is equals to 5, and negative 46 plus 76, and this one is equals to 30 over 5. So y coordinate is 6. So the point of intersection is x coordinate, which is 46 over 3, and y coordinate, which is 6. So this one is the point of intersection which was required.